Barbershop conversation, guys. Feel free, hit the subscribe button. Follow me on Instagram, Silent Heroes. Uh, I want to talk about something. I got a DM earlier, and a gentleman asked me, how can he make extra money? And I'm gonna tell you guys how to make thousands of dollars just by hitting send, not owning anything, not having to put no upfront money. The mindset is everything is for sale. And what I mean by that, you know, it's springtime. So we getting a little bit more sun. People are out more. You're gonna start seeing more spring sales. You're gonna start seeing pre-summer sales. And people are more inclined to spend money because they have it, in terms of, bonuses. The fiscal year ends June 30th, opens up July 1st. Tax season comes in. Parents got to spend money on summer supplies, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. You got transitions from elementary to middle to high school to college to grad school, et cetera, et cetera. You guys get where I'm going. Here's what you do. Everything is for sale. I'm going to give you guys a small example and carry it over to everything else. You know how you see those cars on the road? And you're like, damn, that car is cheap, right? Your job is just to resell the car, help sell the car for the owner. So for example, if the car is worth $3,000 and the owner has it for sale for $2,000, right? Call the owner and be like, maybe I can help. Not maybe, I can help sell your car. If I can sell your car for, what's the price that you actually want, right? And you'll say 25, you sell it for 28, you settle on 26, you make $100. You understand what I'm saying? You don't own anything. It's like Uber. They're the largest taxi ride company and don't own a car. You guys understand what I'm saying? And that carries over to everything else. So if you walk into a store and you see something on sale for an absolute ridiculous price, take a picture of it and put it on those apps, those resale apps, those resale websites. I guarantee you'll sell it. And they'll pay for the shipping and handling. You understand what I'm saying? So at the end of the day, everything is for sale. You can make thousands of dollars from your couch, from your living room. Amazon does it. Amazon owns nothing. They're just a warehouse. They don't make shit. Your house can be Amazon. And it is a surefire way, 1,000% foolproof, no insurance, no nothing, for you to make thousands of dollars. When I say thousands, I mean thousands of dollars, man. So if you go into a store, like Toys R Us is going out of business, right? I don't know when their final days are, but I would definitely start taking pictures of Toys R Us stuff and start selling it. For because some people can't get. There may not be any Toys R Us stores in Boise, Idaho. See, when you live in a big city, you got big city ideas, big city dreams. But in these small rural areas, they got to travel 40 miles to go to a mall. So you're bringing the mall to them, right? And if you sell it, put sold out on it so people will come back and inquire about more. And that way you'll keep your engagement high. But I just want to encourage you guys. Shout out to the king that DM'd me this morning about making money. I just want to share you guys, man. When I needed money, everything was for sale. If someone wanted to buy my car, I would sell it. You understand what I'm saying? Back when I needed money, we all need money. That's a constant theme in all our lives. But yeah, man, literally with the smartphone, you walk into a pet store, you walk into Smart and Final. There's endless possibilities. You go into a store where a shirt is for $2, like $2, screenshot it, sell it for 10 if it has a smart quote on it, right? Next thing you know, you done sold the shirt and they pay for shipping. You done made 800% on a $2 investment. You made $10. T-shirts are the most best things ever. You understand what I'm saying? Then when you get good, you start doing package deals, especially if they're not going out of order, not going out of style. You know what I mean? So anyways, man, barbershop conversation. I just want to reiterate y'all, encourage y'all. You don't own, when I say you literally don't own nothing, you just take a picture of it. Every car you see on the road that has a for sale sign, they're always undervalued because they're trying to get rid of it. Like all these major thoroughways and arteries in our cities, like Crenshaw and Slauson, you may see cars for sale there. You understand, with Florence and Vermont, you may see cars for sale there. Century and Prairie, Century and Crenshaw, these major arteries where people park their cars on the weekend. and leave it for Saturday and Sunday in hopes that someone will buy it, just call them and say, hey, I can help sell your car. They'll agree to it. I mean, cars you just want to get rid of because you're fancying over your new car. You understand what I'm saying? So anyways, man, I just want to encourage you guys. Everything is for sale. Guaranteed you can make thousands of dollars, thousands, when I say thousands upon thousands of dollars, if you stick to it. All right? I'm telling you. So anyways, man, I hope you guys have a great Saturday. I mean, we got mounds and mounds of boxing. So I think I may be home all day. I was going to go out and watch the fights, but I think I'm going to just stay home and recover, man. I lost 5 pounds this week, and I've been cutting my calories, so I'm kind of low on energy, but it's okay. I get 1 meal today, and I'm so excited. Oh, man. But, I mean, 1 meal that I actually desire. So, man, have a great day, man. Love your family. Go hit that T-ball today. Lincoln's going to start T-ball probably next season. So I'm real excited about that. Man, but I just want you guys to win. Eddie Hearn videos coming up shortly. And but yeah, everything is for sale. I mean, you can become a millionaire doing this shit. I mean, everybody's a middleman in something. Basically, you're the middleman for everything. Don't be ashamed of it. Sell everything. Like I'm gonna tell you a true story. I don't make money off this deal anymore. But I remember years ago, someone said they needed some lawn service, right, in Beverly Hills, right? And I was like, I know a perfect guy that can do it. And I knew that they were willing to pay like $1,000 a month. I mean, they had a big lot. I mean, ginormous lot. And I was like, oh, I know someone. I didn't know anybody. I went and I was driving. I spoke. I found someone who does landscaping. It was a Latin guy, and then I kept on driving until I found someone that knew English and Spanish, right? And I said, how much would you charge to do my best friend's my best friend's yard? And they said, oh, well, we drove by it, and they didn't. My client didn't even know I drove by. They said, oh, $600. So I said, here's what we're gonna do. They're gonna give you $800, right? You're gonna give me $200 a month, and I made like extra $200 a month for a year. And I don't know if he still has the contract. I don't even know the man, but I made $2,400 off of doing nothing. You understand what I'm saying? So everybody is the middleman. Eddie Hearn is the most popular middleman in boxing today as we speak. You know. So anyways, man, Barbershop Conversations, man. Feel free to hit the subscribe button. Be shameless. Be honest. Be truthful. Everyone knows you. Everyone can smell a middleman. So just be fair, sincere, undersell, and over-deliver. That's one of the major keys to business. So Barbershop Conversations, man. Feel free to hit the subscribe button. Get that money, man. Get your money up. I'll holla. Peace.